Okay, we are going to do this exercise is all about the compound interest. Okay, so we do the stage one. Okay, so before we go into the go dive into the questions, which first review some formulas. Okay, so uh, we have the very important formula in compound interest to calculate the total amount. Okay, it should be the A, right? A equal to, okay, what, P times, okay, 1 plus R percent, right? And then to the power, okay, N. So this is what, this is compounded yearly, okay? We simply write yearly, okay? Here, put a 1 here, is yearly, okay? Make it uppercase, okay? Yearly. Then we can have what? Half yearly, right? Half yearly, okay? So the formula A will become P times bracket, because half yearly, right? You have to divide it by 2, understand? And then here is 2n, I mean the power, okay? And then 3, it could be quarterly, okay? Quarterly. So the formula should be equal A equal to P times 1 plus, because 1 year have 4 quarters, right? So you divide it by 4 and then 4 to the power n, okay? And then 4, you can have monthly, okay? The formula should be A equal to P times 1 plus R percent divided by 12, because 1 year has 12 months, okay? And then next, go to 5, okay? It could be weekly. We not frequently see this, okay? A equal to P times 1 plus R percent divided by 52, okay? 52 to the power n. And finally, we have daily. The formula A equal to P times 1 plus R percent. Normally 365 days, okay? Depends on the questions, okay? How many days is given to you. But normally we have these 6, okay, formulas, okay? So this is for calculating the total amount A. If the questions ask you to calculate the interest, okay, you can do this. Interest equal to the A minus the principal P, understand? So you always calculate the A and then do a minus P to calculate the I, understand? So this is the mainly, okay, or basically the formula we usually use, okay? So let's go to the questions, okay? So I will do some for you, okay? Let me see. So let's go to do question 3, okay? Stage 1, question 3, okay? So with the words Alex borrow, okay, 40,000. This is P, put a P there. And then 9%, all percent for 3 years, understand? Compounded half yearly. For this one, you have to know, you have to do a divided by 2, understand? So next line, find the total amount, you have to find A. So you write the formula first, half yearly. So P times bracket 1 plus all percent divided by 2, okay? It's 2n here, understand? And then next equal to, okay, the P, it should be 40,000 times 1 plus the percentage is 9% divided by 2. So 3 years is 2 times 3 above here, okay? So it should be 1.045, okay, to the power 6. Then you have to go to your calculator. So the total amount would be 520.090, okay? So this is question 3, okay? Let's move on. I'll go to question 6, okay? Question 6. So Ricky, okay, deposit 55,000. This is the P, put a P there, okay? And then 6%, okay? This is all percent for 2 years. This is the N, okay? So find the amount received if the interest compounded like this way, okay? So we do A, B, C, meaning that you have to find the amount A, understand? A, so part A, do it yearly, right? So you just do this, no need to divide it by anything. So it's to the power N, and then plug in 35,000 times 1 plus 6% to the power 2, okay? Make it decimal before you go into your calculator, 1.06 to the power 2, okay? So go to your calculator. You have this 39,326, understand? So this is A, and then go to B. Half yearly, okay, in your mind, you have to know it should be doing divided by 2, right? And then above here is 2n, and then plug in 35,000 times 1 plus 6% divided by 2. 2n here is 2 times 2, okay? 35,000 times 1.03 to the power 4, okay? So go to your calculator. So it should be 39,393, okay? 93, okay? So this is B. And then we have to calculate C, okay? So go to C. C here, okay? This time you compound the monthly, right? You put an A here, equal to P times 1 plus, so monthly you have to do divided by 12, okay? So it's 12n above here, understand? So plug in 35,000 times 1 plus 6% divided by 12. Here is 12 times 2. Be very careful of this, okay? 6% divided by 12 plus 1, okay? It should be 1.005 to the power 24, okay? And then times 35,000, 39,451, okay? Understand? So not difficult. I think it's easy. So let's keep doing. I'm going to do the question 10, okay? Question 10. So, Mr. Fong, okay, borrows 20,000. This is the P, okay, put a P there. And then 12%, that would be the R percent, okay? Underline compounded quarterly, okay? This meaning what? You have to do a divided by 4, okay? So find the interest. You have to find the I, okay? So when you have to find I, you find what first? Always find A first, understand? So you find A first. The formula, okay, 1 plus. So because it's quarterly, all percent should be divided by 4, okay? 4n here. It's okay? So plug in So 20,000 times 1 plus 12% divided by 4. 4 times how many years? 3 years, okay? So 20,000 times 1.03 to the power 12, okay? Then go to your calculator. So it would be 28515, okay? But this is the total amount. You have to calculate the interest, right? So I equal to A minus P, okay? Just 28,505 minus P is 20,000, okay? That would be 8,550. Understand? So this is question 10. So go to the next page. I'll do let me see, 12, okay? So read the 12 questions first. Read it, okay? Lucy, okay, deposit this money. This is P, okay? 9,500. 5% is all percent, okay? The interest, find the interest after 7 years. The 7 would be the N, or you can call it T, okay? Part A, simple interest, right? You have to find interest, but simple interest. For simple interest, you have what? You have the I formula, okay? I formula. P times all percent times T. T here, you make it N, the same thing, understand? So the principal, 9,500, okay, times 5% times how many years? 7 years, understand? Make it decimal, no hurry, okay? And go to your calculator. So it should be 3,325. Understand?
Yeah.
Then go to B. So this time it is compound yearly. Compounded yearly, you have to find the interest. So you always find A, right? Find the A first. Because it's yearly, you have no need to divide it by anything. Understand? So N here. So P times 1 plus 5%. It should be to the power 7. Okay. So go to your calculator. It is 13367. Okay. So the I equal to A minus P, right? A here, 13,367 minus, okay, the principal, okay, 9,500, okay? So go to your calculator. So you have this 3 eighths, this one, okay? So you can see that the compound interest actually more than the simple interest, always more than the simple interest, understand? So this is 12. Let's keep going. Go to question 15. So Owen, okay, wants to deposit 27,000. This is the P, okay? For 4 years, this is the N, okay? In band A, the interest rate is 4%. This is band A, understand? And then next line, compounded monthly, okay? Underline the monthly, it should be divided by 12, right? So part A, find the interest earned. Interest, you have to find I, okay? So you find A first, okay? The A, always write the formula first. All percent divided, because monthly is divided by 12, okay? 12N, understand? So next line, you do a plug in, 27,000 times 1 plus all percent 4% divided by 12. And then here is 12 times 4 year. Okay. So this 4% divided by 12 is not divisible. So let me see how to write. So ugly number. It should we make when the number is ugly, make it fraction. Okay. So 48. Use your calculator. So here is 31676. Okay. So this is the amount A. You have to find the I, right? So the interest I would be equal to A minus P. Okay. That would be like this. It should be 4676. Okay. 4676. Understand? So this is part A and then B. So in band B, it over a 4.2, okay, percent. I mean the interest rate, but compounded quarterly, underline the quarterly. Okay, you mean you know here you are going to do a divided by 4. Understand? So which band A or band B should often choose? So you have to calculate the interest, the compound interest in both bands. Okay, for the compound interest in band A, you already calculate in part A, right? So you calculate the compound interest for band B. Okay, then compare. So again, you do the A first. Okay, P times R percent divided by, because it's quarterly. Okay, divided by 4, and then 4n above here. Okay, the same way, 4% divided by 4. Okay, this 4 times 4. So this 1.01, 6 to the power 16. So that would be 636 like this. Okay. So the I, A minus P, it should be 4660. Okay. So look at these two inches. Which one is bigger? Okay, this one is bigger, right? Yeah. So you should choose band A. So Owen should choose bank A. Understand? Okay. I will do 2 more. Okay. I'll do the 16 and the 18. Okay. 16. So read the verse. Mike borrow. Okay. 45,000. This is the P. Understand? And the interest rate 60%. 16%. This is the percentage. Okay. Compare the half yearly. You have to do divided by 2, right? Find the interest. Have to repay after 1 year. The n is 1. Okay. So always you calculate the A. P times 1 plus all percent, because half yearly, so divided by 2 to n. Okay. So the P is 45,000 times 1 plus 60% divided by 2 is a 2 times 1. Understand? Times this should be 1.08 to the power 2. Then go to your calculator. So here 5244 of no 52488. 88. Okay? So you can calculate the I, because you have to find the I. Understand? Okay. So 488. Okay. So go to B. So if Mike, okay, extend the repayment period from 1 year to 2 year, okay, so and he replaced the loan after 2 years, how much more interest have to pay? So you have to find out the interest for 2 years, okay, and then look at the difference between the new interest with this, okay. So the same, but here is 2n, but the n is become 2, not 1, okay. The same way always, okay. So times 1 plus 16% divided by 2. This 2 times to understand, not 2 times 1. 1.0 to the power 4, okay. So it would be 61222, okay. So I equal to a minus p. So minus p, this would be 16222. So more, how much more interest? Okay, you have to do the subtraction, right? This minus this, okay. So more interest have to pay, okay. It should be 16222 minus 7488. Then you calculate. So it should be 8,734. Okay. So this is question 16. A bit complicated, but not difficult. Okay, just complicated. I'll do one last. Okay, I'll do the last one. Okay, it is the 18. Okay. So Nathan, okay, deposit 72,000. This is the P, okay, 8% for 1 year. Okay, underline quarterly. Okay, you have to do divided by 4. Okay, find the amount after 1 year. I think this is very easy. Just find the amount. 1 plus. So quarterly you have to divide it by 4 and then 4n here. Understand? And then P is 72,000 times 1 plus 8% divided by 4, because 1 year, 4 times 1, 2 is 4. Okay. So it's 77,935. Okay. So this is the amount. Understand? So B, with the words, after 1 year, the interest rate change, okay, to 6%, but not 8%. Okay. And the interest compounded half yearly, not quarterly. Okay, underline all the things. Okay, 6%, and then half yearly divided by 2, right? So Nathan deposit the amount, okay, received from the bank for the other 2 year. So B1, you have to find the amount received after another 2 years. So this time, what is your principal? Your principal should be the amount from the first year. Understand? Should be this, not this. This is the original. Okay? You have to know the time. So no matter what you have to calculate, you have to calculate the A. Okay? A equal to P times 1 plus R%. Because here it changes, right? Change to the half year, so you do the divided by 2. So it's 2n, understand? So this time the P here is not 72,000, but this, okay? So you copy this, understand? Times 1 plus, so the our percent is not 8%, but 6%, a new percentage, understand? Divided by 2. So for another 2 year, okay? Be very careful, understand? So it's 1.03 to the power 4, okay? So it should be like this, okay? 78,000, 170, okay? 17. This is B1, understand? So for B2, find the total interest, okay? He will earn over these 3 years, okay? So what does it mean? Over the 3 years, meaning the first year interest plus the second year interest, understand? So meaning how much interest you find, how to calculate. The interest, okay, I equal to A minus P, okay? The A should be the final A. Final A meaning what? Not this, but this, okay? This is the final A. So use this number minus. So this P meaning what? Meaning the very original amount. This, okay? Not this, because this, look at this, because this amount contains some of the original principal, okay? But the question asking you over the all 3 years, okay? Meaning that from here to here, the total interest rate, the total interest you earned, okay? Meaning that you have to minus the very original amount, understand? So use the final amount to minus the very original sum of money, I mean the principal, okay? Then you got the overall interest, okay? So here, 15717, okay? Understand?
Yeah.
So I finish. So I finish some of the stage 1 questions. Now you do the rest of the stage 1 questions. Understand?